My name is Michael. I'm a teacher in a school in Mödling, Austria, and I teach students in the age from 14 to 19, and my subjects are math and computer science. In the next few minutes, I will talk about how to engage students and teachers in e-learning during the lockdown. It's all about fast communication, I think. Fast help is double help. And so this fast communication is very important to don't lose the students in a way. And you have to mix it with live lessons, with live video chats and tutorials so they can manage their day by themselves. And of course, record the live sessions because so you can be ensured that students can watch it over and over again. The possibility with the e-learning tools engaged me to do this with tutorials and do this asynchronous. But, and that's the point where e-learning had so much impact for the students, is the availability to communicate every time, every day. And that don't even mean you have 24/7 readiness for them, but you can be really fast. The problem is when you have a synchronous lesson, maybe like the timetable, that the students sit maybe 6 hours in front of the computer, and I think that's not really good for them. You have to make a mix that the students are not think that they have more to do like in the normal mode, and so it's really important to have a consultation with other class teachers to note that the actual workload is not too high for the students. Maybe they are more into a subject than to another, and so they can split their time even better and improve their knowledge in a subject they want and do maybe the minimum in the other subject, but that's also okay. Nobody has to do everything very well. Only be positive even when there is a technical issue. When the system slows down, always find nice words, always be positive in the online learning, because every little thing you gave the students to make the system bad, some of them will use it. Every subject can be done in e-learning. When you do it first, it's a lot of work and maybe it's not perfect, but that's not the point. It has to be perfect. It has to be natural and it has to be you. And when the teacher do what he can and go slowly into this topic, then the students recognize it and think they see that the teacher will do this. And so we gave them the tools to make some tutorials or get their topics right in a form. They can send it to the students. Now there are other questions. How can I improve my teaching with e-learning? And this is the absolutely right question in this way, because students don't have any problem with it. Try out the tools you have. And when you don't have any tools right now in your school, find a tool you get familiar with. And one of the most important things is you cannot do every single aspect of e-learning in one time. So step by step, transform your classes into virtual classes, and first start with the communication, with announcements on a platform, and bear some one-to-one chats, and then go further and share your files. So do more and more, and you will see there is much more impact when you do it in your way, when you feel familiar with. The next thing is, how can I spread out the tasks, and how can I make the students to turn it in a way I don't lose too much time. When you say teachers the word e-learning, they think it's a big amount of time they use and they will lose in their normal life. But it can save you a lot of time. And when you do it in a proper way, you can save a lot of time and spend it to communicate with the students. Thank you for listening, and goodbye and happy e-learning.